On this day, the 15th of April 2026, couple of hours back, that is around 12:30, just before lunch hour, we finally achieved what we have been dreaming of, bringing the physical realm into the digital realm and connecting it to the AI and making things happening. So just as a proof of concept, we took a whiteboard, wrote stuff on the whiteboard, simple commands on the whiteboard, and a simple webcam read it and made it happen. So in the video that you're going to see next, you will see that the text "make siren" is written on the whiteboard, and the camera reads it, and the harness, the AI harness, does the pre-processing, the OCRing and stuff like that, and then the actual siren sounds, the siren comes up. This is just the tip of the iceberg of where we are heading to, and we are, oh boy, we are quite excited about it.